Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send email through Flow in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to start creating our flow using the flow builder. So in the app launcher, we can search for the flow builder. So from here, we can find the flow builder or we can find it here in the setup. So basically go to setup and in the quick find, just type flow builder and we will need just to search for our flow builder and here we will find the flows. After that, we will need just to start creating a new flow. By clicking on new flow, it will take us to the flow builder. So here you can use a template, which is better, or you can start from scratch. So I'm just going to search for a template, and then I will search for something to do with emails. So either to generate email response for provided prompt, or you can find other elements or other templates. You can go for start from scratch. So from here, we can just go to from scratch, and basically we can choose record triggered flow. So whenever a record that will be created, we will need to send an email. So create, and from here, we will need just to add. So when the record is created, or you can choose any other action that will trigger our flow. And from here, we need just to send email. So by clicking on send email, you will need just to go and add the label, the API names, and you will need just to set up the email and basically, by that, you have created your flow that will start creating an email. And of course, you will need to edit the element so it can be more convenient to your actions, etc. And then you will need just to save after running it and test it, of course, and that's it. And after that, you will need to have your flow that will be activated so it can be triggered every time record that will be created on a specific object that you will need to select from here by clicking on edit, etc. etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.